everyone, Tessa here. Although I purchased this vacuum cleaner, I have partnered with the seller and may receive an extra commission. So let's dive in. When you first get it, charge it for 3 hours, make sure it's fully charged. And then here on the handle, I will just show you, here's the on. Just press on.
Normal mode.
And it talks to you. So this is normal mode. And then you just switch between the modes with this. Eco mode. Max mode. And dry mode. So as you can see, it speaks to you, and if you don't want it to speak to you, you just press and hold this button and that'll turn off the voice. And then when you put it back in the charging base, a short press on this button will start self-cleaning. Okay, so let's see how it performs. Now this is only for hardwood floors or laminate floors in my case, and tile. It doesn't work on carpet. So let's give it a go, see how it goes.
Normal mode. Next mode.
There, you see it's dispensing the cleaning solution. And it just propels you forward. I'm not doing anything, it's just pulling me along. I love that. Oh, just so you know, you can lay it flat to get under furniture. It doesn't, unfortunately, go under this piece of furniture. Yeah, so it needs to be a little higher, a little more clearance than that to be able to go under. 2-in-1, I love it. It just gets everything done. I don't have to mop first and vacuum, which is what I always do.
Shutting down. Power off. Please put unit back to base and charging. Start charging.
And it's
Please
charging.
open self-cleaning.
Okay, so as I said before, if you press and hold this button right here, it turns off the voice, so it doesn't talk to you, but it didn't seem to work. So it just talks to me the whole time. That's okay. For self-cleaning, so once you put it back in the charging station, you just do a quick press.
Self-cleaning start.
And now it's
Brush roller cleaning.
Yeah, see that? It's cleaning. So that's the wet and dry vacuum cleaner. I am very excited about this because I have a home business and I have to mop every single day and vacuum like the 5 days a week that I'm open. So now it'll cut 2 steps down to 1. So very excited about that. Highly recommend it.